Children's tableware. 3-piece set of kid-friendly divided plates for everyday use in daycares, classrooms and at home. Colorful set encourages healthy eating habits and self-feeding. Teach independence. Encourages self-feeding at mealtime and snack time as small children develop fine motor skills through touching and grasping as well as sensory skills through food exploration. Complete the set. Mix and match with My First Meal Pal divided plates, cups, spoons and forks for a full set. Certified safe. Tableware is BPA-free, FDA and CPSIA compliant. Dishes are top-rack dishwasher safe or hand wash with a mild soap and water solution. Product dimensions. Each divided plate measures 7.4, LX 7.3, WX 1.2, H. Top reviews from the United States. Great little bowls. I've bought these bowls twice now because the whole family has started using them. They are perfect for toddler snacks, and perfect for snacks and smaller portions for bigger people too. They are durable, wash up nicely and come in cute colors.